Hey, when you construct your website using WordPress, there are a multitude of plugins available for you to customize its design and functionality. One very popular site building interface tool is Elementor. In this video, I will show you two ways to install Elementor using your WordPress dashboard. Often, the easiest way to download a plugin is to simply search for it from the Plugins page, which can be opened from the sidebar of your dashboard. Go to Add Plugin, type in the name of what you are looking for. When it pops up, go to its box and click Install Now. Then press Activate to start using it. Or, in some cases, you may need to download the plugin as a file from its own website or from the WordPress plugin directory, and then manually install it. Once the Elementor zip file is downloaded to your computer, you can then log in to your WordPress admin dashboard. Go down the sidebar to Plugins, click on Add Plugin, then Upload Plugin. Hit Choose File to select and open the Elementor zip file. Click Install Now, and then Activate Plugin. You've now successfully installed Elementor for your website. Check out our other white label agency videos for more tips, or just hit subscribe.